Do entrepreneurs still use LinkedIn? Is a question I was just asked today, so I thought I would make this video for you to answer that question. The short answer is yes, they do, and I'm going to share 3 reasons why they do, and I'm also going to share an awesome tip for you to start using right away if you're an entrepreneur and you want to start getting more clients from LinkedIn. You know, LinkedIn continues to be the platform where professionals go seeking information, seeking knowledge, seeking advice, and looking for people that can help solve the problems that they have. If that's you, then you should be on LinkedIn helping people understand that you have expertise, that you have education, authority, trustworthiness that will help them solve the problems that they have. And it's really straightforward to do on the platform. There's not a lot of guessing that you need to do if you have a step-by-step methodology to follow, like the successful people that I've worked with. It's Chris Prouty, and for the last 23 years, I've helped thousands of successful entrepreneurs grow their businesses by getting clients through places like LinkedIn. These are people who love what they do, and they simply want to get paid having an impact on the people that they serve. So I help them do that, but I do it in a way like you might not think. So let's talk about the 3 things that are really important about LinkedIn right now if you're an entrepreneur and why you should be spending time on the platform. And the first reason is there are a variety of modalities or ways that you can share information with your audience. You can use video, you can use regular posts. Now we see those on all the platforms. Where LinkedIn really starts to differentiate itself is with things like articles and newsletters or slideshows that you can incorporate into your content. All of these things provide your prospects and your audience with a rich experience when they're consuming your content. Next, having an optimized LinkedIn profile is going to be the most impactful thing that you can do. Imagine somebody sees you somewhere on LinkedIn. They want to check out who you are. They want to see if you offer something that can help them. They go to your profile, and if you make your profile client-centric, that's how we optimize a profile, by the way. We make it all about the client. If you can make your profile client-centric, they're going to be magnetized to you and to your solution. And then third, your ability to network with the exact right people is more robust on LinkedIn than anywhere else. And my recommendation to you is to always be networking with people who either are your perfect clients or are like your perfect clients. That's going to go a long way in optimizing your presence on the LinkedIn platform. In fact, I have a tip for you on optimizing your presence on LinkedIn. I'll get to that in just a second. But before I do, if you like the content that you see here or on my channel, I'd love to share more with you in a full class on getting clients from LinkedIn. You just have to go to this URL right here, linkedin.proutyclass.com. When you go to that URL, you're going to be able to take a class directly with me on, well, bonk the microphone. You'll be able to take a class directly with me on how to get clients from LinkedIn. So just go to linkedin.proutyclass.com and we'll hang out for a little while, and you'll get a lot out of wow, microphone and mouth. You'll get a lot out of it, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. You can hold me to that. So if I were to give you a tip on using LinkedIn, if you're an entrepreneur and you're interested in using the platform, it's to optimize your presence. Your presence is everything that you do on the platform. It's every piece of content that you create. It's your entire profile. It's the groups that you're in and the people that you communicate with. Optimize that to demonstrate who you are and what your area of expertise is, and that's going to extend your reach and your visibility across LinkedIn. And while everything I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now. So here is another video that's going to help you out. And if you click on my face right here, you can subscribe to my channel and you can get alerts every time I create new content like this so that you can start to apply it right away. So go ahead, click on my face right now.